Class 9 Polynomials, exercise number 2.4, question number 16, second part. What are the possible expressions for dimensions of cuboids whose volumes are? So volume they have given 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So what they are asking in the question, they are asking the possible expressions for the dimensions. Dimensions means length, breadth and height they are asking, okay. And what they have given the volume of the cuboid. So you know volume formula is length into breadth into height. So if we are able to factorize this volume now into three numbers, okay, into three factors, sorry. So those three factors we can write. One of the factor will be length, second factor will be breadth and third factor can be height. So that only they are asking what are the possible expressions for dimensions of cuboid. That means dimensions means length, breadth and height they are asking, and volume they have given whose volume are 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So first of all we will factorize this volume into three factors. So for that first I took out common, okay. So you can see this is 12ky square, this is 8ky, this is minus 20k. So in all the terms k is present, so I took k common. Also 12, 8 and 20 they all are divisible by 4. So 4k I took common. So what is left inside the bracket from the first term? 4 3s are 12 and y square will be like that only because k I took a common. So 3y square is left from this term, from 12y square what is left? 3y square is left. Or you can do one thing, like 12 na you have to divide by the common thing, so answer will be 3, like that also you can take. Then the second thing is 8ky. So that 8ky if you divide by 4k, which is common thing, so k got cancelled, 4 2s are 8, so 2y, see 2y only I wrote. And then the third term is minus 20k. What is common? 4k. K got cancelled, 20 divided by minus 4 will give you minus 5. So minus 5 will be the third term, okay, after taking the common. So now this thing we have to factorize. So this is a quadratic, so we can use splitting the middle term process to factorize this thing. So for that what we are doing, we are multiplying the coefficient of y square, which is 3, into the last constant term, which is minus 5. So answer is minus 15. So we have to search two numbers, their product should be minus 15 only, but if you add or subtract them you should get the middle term, which is positive 2. So I can take minus 5 and 3. See, minus 5 plus 3, if I add I will get minus 2. No, sorry, I should get plus 2. So 5 should be positive and 3 I should take negative. So if I add minus 5 plus 5 minus 3, I will get positive 2 only. And if I multiply, I will get minus 15 only. So see, minus 15 should be the product and 2 should be the sum. Okay, so I got both of the things. So so the numbers are 5 and 3. So this this thing now, middle term 3y square I wrote like that only. That middle term 2y I split it into 5y minus 3y. So I can write plus 5y minus 3y. So if you solve, will get just plus 2y only, है ना. So see, in the question also they gave plus 2y only. That means we are not changing the question, okay, we are just changing the form, how to represent. So minus 5 will be like that only. Now 4k, now take common out of these two terms. So what is common? I can see that y only common. So what is left from the first term? 3 and 1 y is left, and from the second term what is left? Only 5 is left, right? Only 5 is left. Now go to the last two terms. What is common? So only I think minus sign is common, nothing is common, so we can take minus 1 as common. So what is left inside the bracket? If you are taking minus common, no, so the sign will change. So minus 3y will be positive 3y, and even minus 5 will be positive 5, okay. So the three factors are, first is 4k, second is inside the bracket, which is 3y plus 5, and third one is outside the bracket, which is y minus 1. So this can be length, this can be breadth, and this can be height, because we represented the volume in the terms of 4k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So one of the factor can be length, other factor can be breadth, and the third factor can be height. So these can be the possible dimensions of the given cuboid. Thank you.